Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating ngayong mapapanood ay yung tinagurian The Iron Man, walang iba kundi si Mike Tyson. Sa natatangi ang galing at lakas, bilis sa larangan ng boxing ay pumili tayo ng 10 knockout wins sa kasaysayan ng kanyang karir. Kaya kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel ay huwag mo naman kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakihit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin umpisahan ang 10 malulupiting mga knockout wins niya sa kasaysayan ng kanyang kabataan pa, ay mag-intro muna tayo mga idol.
First of all, I like to just thank Cus for putting in all the hard work, and I like to say hello to all my family back home. I knew from the beginning, but everybody else knew that it was no calm. It was no calm. Let's like the rest of it. A lot of people came to look. Jesse Ferguson came to look. The Fraziers came to look.
James Broad was out there.
All of you come get some. Cause Mike Tyson's out here. He's waiting for you. All come get some.
1.
Ang ating una sa listahan ang laban niya kay Berbick noong November 22, 1986 na kung saan natikman ang kanyang kalaban ng malamasong suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating tunghayang kung paano nga ba tinalo ni Mike Tyson ang kanyang kabakbakan. Ang ating pangalawa sa listahan ay laban niya kay Vix noong October 16, 1997 na kung saan pinalanan ito ng malalakas na kamao ng ating bida. Ating tunghayang kung paano nga ba 2 beses pinatumba sa ibabaw ng luna ang kanyang kabakbakan. Ang ating pangatlo sa listahan ay laban niya kay Holmes noong January 22, 1988 na kung saan binayo ito ng kaliwat kanan ng malalakas na kamao mula sa ating bida. Ating tunghayang kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo pa matapos mapuruhan itong kontrabida ng malalakas na suntok ng ating bida. Ang ating pang-apat sa listahan ay laban niya kay Spink noong June 27, 1988 na kung saan pinalan ito ng ating bida ng malalakas na mga suntok. Ating tunghayang kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo pa matapos itong mapuruhan ng ating bida. 5. Ang ating panlima sa listahan ay laban niya kay Williams noong June 21, 1983 na kung saan nahirapan na itong tumayo sa ibabaw ng luna. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba hininto na ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kalaban.
Officially, I've got this fight being 1 second longer than Tyson Spink.
6.
Ang ating pang-anim sa listahan ay laban niya kay Stewart noong taong December 8, 1990 na kung saan natikman ng kanyang kalaban na malalakas sa suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba 3 bisis pinatumba sa ibabaw ng luna itong kontrabida ng ating bida.
That was a flush right hand. 5, 6. Taking a good look at Cappuccino. He's going to let him go. 3 knockdown rule is in effect. Stewart goes down again. It's over. And Stewart has quick throwing. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're forgetting that the 3 knockdown rule is in effect. This fight is over.
Well, Stewart said that Tyson was a mountain he had to climb. He just got knocked off that mountain. He just didn't have the style, Jim, unlike Douglas, to test it.
7.
Ang ating pampito sa listahan ay laban niya kay Rudik March 15, taon 1991, na kung saan makikita natin ang palitan ng dalawang boksingero na malalakas na mga kamao. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga ba hininto na lang ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kalaban.
Tyson, now Tyson's a spell. Hit me again, and he did with the right. At the bell style.
Here, these were your series of punches that got him in trouble. He's in trouble. The floor was hurt.
I was trying to catch him right there, though. He was hurt pretty bad.
8.
Ang ating pangwalo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay McNeely noong taon August 19, 1995, na kung saan binayo ito ng kaliwat kanang atake mula sa ating bida. Ating tunghayang kung paano nga ba 2 bisis pinatumba sa ibabaw ng luna ang kanyang kalaban.
Seconds into the fight, McNeely on the canvas.
McNeely's hurt this time, Steve. He's very hurt. He can barely stand up. This fight has got about 30 seconds left.
They want Tyson to go to the neutral corner. What's going on? The round's still
That was
going on.
not correct. That was not correct. That was not correct.
That's it. He quit. McNeely has quit.
9.
Ang ating pangsiyam sa listahan ang laban niya kay Bruno noong taon March 18, 1986, na kung saan binayo ito na malalakas na mga suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba inawat na lang ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kalaban.
Goes Bruno into the ropes. And it is all over. It is all over here in round 3. Mike Tyson is champion again.
And that is it. Mike Tyson is back. The Tyson era has begun.
I told you Frank Bruno had no chance because those absolutes, Mike hits with both hands.
10.
Ang ating pangsampu upang huli sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Francis noong taon January 28, 2000, na kung saan inatake ito ng ating bida na malalakas na mga kamao. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga ba 5 bisis pinatumba sa ibabaw ng luna ang kanyang kabakbakan.
That's a lot more than most people thought.
That left hook to the body hurt, Steve.
He could be in trouble right here. He's stunned and down he goes.
Vintage Mike, which missed.
Looking to end it here at the end of the round. They can again. He staggers Francis. Tough body shot. Francis is down.
Right hand there, too.
He gets up at 8. 16 seconds into round 2. He's been down 3 times. How much more punishment? There's a left uppercut. A quick ball over round 2.
Again, that right uppercut on the inside. He's a big man like that with the leverage Mike has. Vicious.
Give me first your reaction to the fight.
The fight, I was confident. I trained real hard with my trainer, Kevin Rooney, who I owe a great deal to. And I came out and I was confident. I knew the fight. I felt it deep in my heart. I was going to stop him in the first round.
Did you know from watching tapes of him that you could hit him with the uppercut?
No, that's my favorite punch. And I watched the time, and I knew from my trainer telling me as he throws his punches, he bends down, and I knew that would be perfect for my uppercut. I planned on working the body more, but I saw the opportunity, and it looked too good to go away.
In your mind, if your managers Jim Jacobs and Bill Caton and your trainer Kevin Rooney came to you and said, Mike, we think you're ready for a title shot tomorrow, would you agree with them at this point?
Most definitely. Anytime if my manager and my trainer feel that I'm confident and they're willing to put me in a title and they're sure I could beat the champion, I'm sure I could beat them also.
Of the 3 champions, who would you like to fight and why?
Anybody my trainer put me in with, because I'm confident I could beat any fighter in the world.
What do you think of the 3 champions?
They're all good fighters, because you have to be a good fighter. You can't take nothing away from them to become the champion. But I'm confident, I'm ready. And I'm ready when my trainer tells me.
Ito na po nagtatapos ang ating 10 malulupitin knockout wins mula sa tinaguriang The Ironman. Walang iba kundi nag-iisang Mike Tyson. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod, walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, ano masasabi mo sa magandang performance pinakita ng ating bida sa bidyong ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang bidyong ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.